Hello and welcome back to Ricky Ventures. If you guys have been following along, you guys would know that we worked on this ATV last time and got a new carburetor installed on it. And if you're not following along, I gotta ask you why. You guys gotta tell me in the comments below, how come you're not coming out and hanging out with me? We worked on getting this fixed. We're working on getting a solar power installed in our hunting blind so we can use that for power out there when we're hunting. Probably gonna do some insulation in that next. Right now, working on getting the solar power in there. Gonna get the inverter installed in there, get that done, and then we'll put some insulation in. Then we got to put solar panels up too. But in the meantime, I needed to get this fixed since it was broke from taking care of when we were using it last year. It just wasn't working quite right, and so I needed to put a new carburetor on it. So that's what we did at the house. That video came out recently. If you guys want to go check it out, go take a look at it. Need to get this one unloaded because we have another one in the pole barn over there that I also think has a carburetor problem on it. So we're going to just take this one off of here and we're going to put the other one on here. Brought this up this morning. It's all ready to go. You'll see in a second here. It'll fire right up. So it's new carburetor on it is working very well. Take this one off here and we will unload this. Get it off of the trailer. Load the other one up. And these pull off like this. It's always tight. Same one over here. I'm gonna put some weight on it here with my shoulder so it doesn't come off when I unlatch this one. And then this just, I didn't get that quite away off. There we go. Here we go. Now all we got to do is get the ATV off of there. And we'll see if we can get the other one started enough to put it on here. That's going to be the difficult part, I think. Should we turn the gas on? I have to turn the idle up on it a little bit. And now the hard part's going to be if we can even get this one started enough to drive it onto the trailer. I'm going to put this battery in here first, which doesn't even fit in here very well. It's not really the right battery for it. I'm just going to temporarily hook it up here so that we can hopefully get it started and get it on the trailer. If it will start and run for us anyways. Hopefully it will. We'll see. This battery should be fully charged. This battery really is the battery that goes to that other machine we were just working on, the Arctic Cat. I'm not going to worry about that right now. We can switch the batteries out on them later. Let's just see if we can get it started. Got power. Turn the choke up. let go of the clutch, the choke, and it died. So that's the problem with it. It doesn't want to stay running without the choke being held on it. But hey, maybe it's enough to at least get it loaded on that trailer. If we can get it started and do that again, hold the choke on it, I guess. Didn't have enough power to make it up. Maybe if we go in low gear. I don't know if we're going to be able to get up there, guys. Maybe if we get a running start. Well, we made it. We got up here. It's a little scary there for a second, but she is on the trailer. She's not perfectly square, but that's good enough for me to hook it back up so we can take it back home. And I'm pretty sure we're going to have to replace the carburetor on it. I mean, we could clean it out. I guess I could take it off and get it cleaned, but I'll probably just buy a new one off Amazon and replace it like we did in the other machine. All right, that's that. She is all hooked up. Let's put the gate back up on it. There's that one. There's that one. All right, so I'm gonna close things up and then we're gonna take this back home to the Twin Cities, see if we can't get it fixed on a different video. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We will see you guys in the next one.